welcome back to BHM University. I'm Jake with Broadway Home Medical, and today we're going to be talking about the ZT8 from Pride Mobility. The Pride ZT8 is one of the most innovative scooters in Pride's portable lineup. It comes standard with a front basket, features the Delta wraparound tiller that allows you to control the scooter right or left-handed. There's a key switch here to turn it on and off. You've got your LED battery indicator. Has a standard throttle control with the tortoise and the hare. There's a little button here for a front horn. Comes with a front LED headlight that's controlled by a toggle switch on the left-hand side of the scooter here. On the right-hand side is your charging port. There's also a USB plug adapter on the tiller here to allow you to charge the mobile device while you're on the go. The seat has width adjustable arms as well as some height adjustment. You've got your standard back pouch on the seat to store some smaller items. Comes with the standard 1-inch receiver tube to allow you to plug in like a rear basket or an oxygen tank holder, as well as a whole host of other accessories. There are rear tail lights on the scooter. One of the most innovative things about this scooter is it actually has two motors. Most scooters like this are going to be a one-motor scooter, which makes the turning radius a lot higher. So with the two motors, you're able to get the same turning radius as a three-wheel scooter, but with the stability of a four-wheel. As far as disassembling the scooter goes, we're going to push back on the little tab here above the basket to remove it. On the seat, we're going to fold the back down and just lift straight up. The batteries are encased in this pack here. No latch lever or anything you have to do, just lift up on that. On the rear section here, we're going to lift up on this handle, split the front and rear sections apart. From here, we're going to fold the tiller down. There's a knob on the right-hand side here that we're going to loosen. It's the same knob you're going to loosen to adjust the angle of the tiller when you're driving it to get it to a comfortable distance. I like to get this at about a 90 degree with the base of the scooter. We definitely don't want to let this slam down on the deck because our battery connection's right here. On the front of the scooter, there's a little knob we're going to turn to keep the tiller from swinging off when we're lifting up on the front section. And from here, this makes it a lot more manageable when you're loading it into like the trunk of the vehicle for transport. As far as putting it back together, we're just going to follow these steps in reverse. On the rear section, you're going to see two green lines, and on the front section, there's going to be two hooks with those same green lines. We're just going to line those up. The scooter should just snap together like that. We're going to loosen the tiller and raise it up, and tighten this knob back down. It's very important to make sure that we turn this knob back to the horizontal setting, otherwise you're not going to be able to steer your scooter when you're driving it. The batteries are just going to sit down in this little tray here. The seat has a center post on it that we're just going to put inside of the seat post. Make sure that locks in place. And our basket's going to go on this front bracket, just like that. And now we're ready to ride. All right, so we're just about ready to take this thing for a test drive. A couple things I wanted to go over first. This scooter does have a 325-pound weight capacity, maximum top speed of 5.9 miles per hour. According to the book, you can get just over 13 miles per charge. We do have the scooter here in the sapphire blue, but it is available in several different color options. All right, so first impressions, we got a pretty comfortable seat. I'm about 6 foot tall, and I've got plenty of leg room here on the deck. We're going to loosen our tiller adjustment knob here and get the tiller set at a comfortable distance for me. And let's get moving. So like most electric scooters, we get up to top speed pretty quick. This scooter does have a suspension system, so going over the cracks in our parking lot makes it a very smooth ride. So having that four-wheel capability, having a lot of stability with the scooter. I'm going to test it out and see how we do in the grass over here. Handle that grass with no problem. We're going to head on here to the end of the parking lot and do a couple 360s to test the turning radius. Four-wheel scooter, this thing turns very sharp. Definitely not going to find that in any other four-wheel out there. Electronic braking system stops the scooter pretty quickly. So if you're looking for a portable scooter, this is going to be a really good option for you. You've got the ability of a four-wheel, the turning radius of a three-wheel. It's got a whole host of other features built in, and I think this would be a very good option for anyone looking for a scooter in that market. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We hope you learned something. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content. I'm Jake with Broadway Home Medical. We'll catch you next time.